Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the secrets to the Style Showdown update on Dress to Impress. So the first one is we got this skirt, super cute. I'll remove this one to show you guys. And then we also have this coat too. And two toggles. The skirt also has some toggles here. You can enable like a waistband. You can't really see it, but now you can. Then we also got these super cute shoes here that you can change the color to, of course. And we also got this fur jacket. And I think that's everything new on the Style Showdown update. You do need to play a few rounds to get some of the items. I think just the coat though. And then in the Style Showdown stage itself, I've done tutorials on it anyways, but in the game mode itself, there is like a Lana statue that you can like find. It could be in the lobby, it could be in the game. You can get immunity from that so you don't get eliminated. Obviously, you also will get the Style Showdown set, which I already have here. I have all three. Ta-da! But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!